Welcome to foodpanda University. In this video, we will guide you on the advanced functions in menu management. These functions include adding, editing, and sorting your categories, as well as adding and editing your menu. You will also learn how to upload your listing and banner photo. Let's start with adding a category. Category is a group of items customers can use to navigate within your menu. You will be able to configure your category name, description, and type. Category name and description are visible to customers. Log into Menu Management in Restaurant Portal. To add a new category, select Add New and tap on Category. Enter category name and description in primary and secondary language, if applicable. Select a category type that best suits your category. If you are unsure of which category type to choose, please watch the next section of the video. Once done, tap on Save. Your change will be reflected immediately. Please note that your new category will not appear on foodpanda unless there is at least one item in it. To add a new item in your category, please refer to the video on Introduction to Menu Management. Unsure of which category type to choose? Here are some examples to guide you. How to edit your category. To edit an existing category, select Edit Category. Update your details accordingly. If you would like to sort your categories, continue to the next section. If there are no more changes, tap on Save. Your change will be reflected immediately. After creating a category, you may want to rearrange the order of how the categories appear on your menu. To sort your category, tap and hold this symbol. Drag up or down accordingly to the desired order that you want. Once done, let go of your mouse. Tap on Save. Your change will be reflected immediately. How to add a new menu. Your menu contains all the categories and items that are shown to customers. You can configure the time period you would like your menu to be available for. To create a new menu, tap on Add New and select Menu. Input your menu name and description in primary and secondary language, if applicable. This is for your own reference and will not be shown to customers. Input the time period this menu will be available for. Note that menu timings cannot overlap each other, as there can only be one menu displayed at a time. Once done, tap on Save. Your change will be reflected immediately. How to edit your menu. On your desired menu, tap on Edit Menu. Update your menu details accordingly. Once done, tap on Save. Your change will be reflected immediately. How to upload your listing and banner photo. Listing photo refers to the first photo of your store that your customers see when browsing foodpanda. Banner photo refers to a photo of multiple dishes or the restaurant's signature dish that appears as a banner image on a restaurant profile on foodpanda. Select Photos from the left sidebar. To upload your listing photo, tap on the gray box. Take note of the photo guidelines. Tap on Upload. Select a high-quality photo of your signature dishes. Crop the photo accordingly, with the dishes positioned in the middle. Once you're satisfied, submit your request by tapping on Save Photo. To upload your banner photo, follow the same steps when submitting your banner photo. Restaurant Portal is the one-stop place with all the essential information you need to understand your business. To have a better understanding of all the other tools, continue watching the series of video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your journey with us.